Hello everybody, welcome to a video tutorial that explains how easily you can create cross sections and longitudinal sections online using esurveycat.com. For creating cross section or longitudinal section, you must prepare the data in CSV file. In CSV file, there must be 4 columns: layer number, section number, distance, and elevation. Layer number is allowed up to 5. Assign negative sign to left side distances. This CSV file is an example CSV. You can also download the sample LS or CS file from the download section. Prepare your inputs first. Then log into esurveycat.com using your email ID and respective password. Select section option from module drop-down. Click on the Browse button and locate the CSV file from your computer. You need to specify required settings before you generate longitudinal sections or cross sections. The application allows you to import data up to 5 layers. Depending on the number of layers, series, data you are importing, specify the heading for each series. For example, assign ground level or OGL as a heading name for the first layer. If you want the application to interpolate the imported series data, select the respective checkbox. You can set interpolation settings before you generate the sections. In display settings, you can select the layer for which layer data you want projection line. Specify datum precision and also mention the section footer captions. Select area calculation only if you have more than 2 layers of data in your input file in area calculation layers. Select the layers among which you want to calculate area. If you wish to display the cutting filling value, select area calculation layers, select the cutting filling band checkbox. In the scale setting option, specify the horizontal and vertical scale values. In case if you want the software to interpolate imported series data. In interpolation settings, specify your interpolation choices. If you select and specify that interval option, the software will interpolate values at equal intervals. If you specify 2 as the value, then at every 2 meters, layer values will be interpolated considering 0 as the reference. Instead, if you want the application to interpolate values at specific distances, you can select the Add Distances option and specify the distances. You also have the option to keep original values or delete them. If you switch it off, then only interpolated values will be considered in preparing the section. The application also allows you to extrapolate or extend the values beyond the available distance for a given layer. The program will generate section drawings by default. In output settings, you can generate area volume report optionally by enabling required settings. Click on Generate Section and wait for a while. Once the sections and reports are processed, application will show 3 more buttons. Click on View button to immediately see the generated section drawings. You can select the respective section number to see the cross-section drawing. Click on the Download button in case if you want to download the drawings and reports. Click on the Email button in case if you want to download the drawing later. When you chose this option, the program will email a link to you. Please note that you have downloaded the required file within 24 hours after these drawings are deleted forever from the application server. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can also generate a contour map, CAs, and LS drawings, create artwork reports, convert KML to drawing, download elevation from Google Earth, and download Google Earth image in your drawing file using esurveycat.com. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please explore our software, Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite. Using the Road Infra Suite, you can process the data right from survey. You can prepare contour maps, generate earthwork calculation in any grading project, prepare cross-section, longitudinal section, and do earthwork calculation for road, rail, canal projects. You can do highway design, prepare strip plan, and create plan profile drawing with ease. Using the water infrasuite, you can prepare water network drawings, do hydraulic design, and prepare execution drawings. Extract BOQ reports like 3D pipe length, bends, specials report. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos related to infrastructure, engineering, and design solutions. Click on bell icon to get notification on new videos. Please contact us at +919 4495999709 or email us at info@esurveying.net. Suppose you want to try the software for free. Book a free demonstration at esurveying.net.